I can stand right now.
Hurricane Idalia made landfall on Florida's west coast as a catastrophic Category 3 storm on Wednesday and unleashed life-threatening storm surges and rainfall across an area that has never before received such pummeling. More than 230,000 customers were without electricity as trees snapped, the strong winds brought down power lines and rushing water covered streets. Along the coast, some homes were submerged to near their rooftops and structures crumbled. As the eye moved inland, destructive wind shredded signs and sent sheet metal flying.
Sounds like the glass is trying to crack though.
According to the Cedar Key Fire and Rescue Department, there were many downed trees and debris on the street. Storm surge could rise as high as 4.9 meters in some places. Idalia came ashore in the lightly populated Big Bend region, where the Florida Panhandle curves into the peninsula.
Look, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my gosh.
It made landfall near Kitten Beach at 7:45 a.m. as high-end Category 3 hurricane with maximum sustained winds near 125 miles per hour. More than an hour later, it remained a Category 2 hurricane with top winds of 110 miles per hour, and it was expected to remain a hurricane while crossing Florida and Georgia before punishing the Carolinas as a tropical storm. The hurricane turned streets into rivers in Tampa and swam the Florida capital, where power went out well before the center of the storms arrived. Tallahassee mayor urged everyone to shelter. Florida residents living in vulnerable coastal areas had been ordered to pack up and leave as Idalia gained strength in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico.
Two feet.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee called Idalia an unprecedented event since no major hurricanes on record have ever passed through the bay abutting the Big Bend. The state still dealing with lingering damage from last year's hurricane land.
Bay Shore is a little quiet this morning, folks.
A slew of Florida airports have shuttered their doors because of Hurricane Idalia. Tampa International Airport had closed yesterday ahead of the hurricane. St. Pete Clearwater International Airport also shut down yesterday afternoon with plans to reopen today at 3 p.m. Jacksonville International Airport remains open but warned that cancellations are expected throughout the day.
You're almost done with this. Oh man.
Sarasota Bradenton International Airport closed overnight but was open and operational this morning.
Oh my gosh.
Tallahassee International Airport, which also closed its door last night, anticipated to resume operations tomorrow morning. More than 30,000 utility workers were mobilized by Florida officials to make repairs as quickly as possible in the hurricane's wake, and about 5,500 National Guard troops were activated. Tools were waved on highways out of the danger area. Shelters were opened and hotels prepared to take in evacuees. Meanwhile, after landing in the Big Bend region, Idalia is forecast to cross the Florida Peninsula and then drench southern Georgia and the Carolinas on Thursday. Both Georgia governor and South Carolina governor announced states of emergency, freeing up state resources and personnel, including hundreds of National Guard troops.
Oh my gosh. We're literally right in the eye. Man.